What up guys, so pretty much you're going to watch the video now, part one of the bodywork on the XF Falcon that was saved from the crusher. So I'm doing the two-tone on it. I've got the colour match paint for the trunk lid, the quarter panels, so I'm going to do the right side with the two-tone as well as the quarter panel in the trunk, and then on part two I'll do the hood and the welding work on the left side. So pretty much, yeah, the videos and the clips that you'll see, they're a little bit thrown together, all filmed at different times and stuff like that, but generally you get the idea of what the car looks like, and I'll do kind of a little wrap up at the end. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Just giving the XF a bit of a wash. My plan is to tape off the lower halves of the doors and do those gloss black, and then I've got the colour match paint for the back right quarter as well as the other quarter. Once I get that all welded up, everything looks a little bit better with a wash. Everything a final prep. I still got about a tape's line worth of masking off to do. I just wanted to start my line a little bit higher before I went and actually painted it myself. So just use the good old painter's tape for that one there. And really just following the lines of the door. Alrighty, so that's just after the first couple dust coats. Gone pretty easy on it, went a little heavier over just in the corners just to see what it was like. But it's coming up smicko. So yeah, everything was wet sanded down till 2000 grit. It's not perfect, but it's more a case of just getting it done now. I'm always going to have this car, I figure. I can't really get rid of it now, I'm too attached to it. So however it comes out is however it comes out. But I'm really digging the results so far. So keep watching along, and I'll put a few more coats on. It's just a little hard to do filming and painting as well. But yeah, we'll see how we go. So that's the 4 or 5 coats done. Just about to clear it now, but I'm really happy with the way that's come out. And I can't wait to get that painted, to be honest. But first things first, got to finish what I'm doing. But that's it there, guys. I mean, just can't beat it. Two-tone life, come at me. Finished product, man, just be clear coated. Yeah, just clear coated everything, sorry, and I'm stoked. I'm really happy. Can't wait to peel that tape off. Alright guys, so try and ignore the colour match paint at the minute. I just wanted to touch on this bit. Obviously a very popular place for these Falcons to rust was right in here. Now I'm fully expecting in a couple of years I'll have to open this back up and, you know, do the job properly and re-weld it. It's fine. I'll probably want to repaint the whole car one day, so you know, in a couple of years, who knows. But in the spirit of getting it done and getting it done quickly, I took this back to bare metal, treated all the metal that was in there, so there is a line of bog probably from there to there. I'm just using a high fill primer at the minute. I just want to get lines like that out and kind of even up this whole surface. So I'm going to give it another wet sand with 2000 grit sandpaper and see how that comes up after that. And then other than that, we got the colour match paint, and I couldn't help myself last night, just had to give it a good spray. Took off the old Ford badge as well, just because that was really sun damaged, and I have an awesome new looking one to put on there. Other than that, yeah, just been hitting it up with the cans, but really happy with how it's coming out, and the two-tone is looking smick. Alright guys, so unfortunately I'm going to have to call it for today, just running out of time as per usual, but that's the car there. I think the two-tone, and especially following the bumper lines with the red, it looks Mickey Mouse. Now with that being said, obviously that's only 1 or 2 coats there over the primer. You can still see it coming through. Not going to let that be. Trust me, if it bothers you, it bothers me even more. But with that being said, the colour match paint, they actually did a great job. No complaints, and that's the new badge I was talking about. So replaced the Ford blue oval, just the regular style, and just got that one fit straight on, and it looks mint. But that's the general concept of the car, and it's looking great. So I can't wait to go sort myself out now with a welder and start on side 2, do the whole two-tone thing again. Probably have to get more of the colour match paint and a few more other bits and pieces, as there always is. But mate, I'm loving how it's coming together, and oof, when that back gets, you know, the 2 lights back in it, oh, it's just going to look so good. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video really soon.